Kwanza, I am a person who believes in giving people a second chance. Even though many leaders did not favor my friend Gachagua, I still gave him a chance. Yeah? Because I'm a strong believer that when you are friends, you don't just dismiss friends. It applies to JB Muturi. Even when it was difficult for him to perform as an attorney general, and it's not even me. Ask any government department. Any government department. They had many difficulties. But because he was my friend, we worked together, we campaigned together, I was willing to give him a second chance. You know? So if you are saying that I should not have given Rigathi a chance and I should not have given JB a chance, that is you, that's not me. I believe differently. And I believe people given a chance, there are many people who have given another chance and they've done very well. You know, they have acquitted themselves. Sometimes maybe people are misjudged, and I want to see how, until it becomes impossible to work with the people who are in your team, you must give them a chance. So I gave my good friend Justin a chance, a second chance, but in the process he dismissed himself. And I have, what did you expect me to do? I give somebody a chance, he starts to do whatever he's doing. So I think let's move on. Let us, and you know, it's not the end of the, it is not the end of the road. JB Muturi has a very good pension as a former speaker. So hawezi kuumia sana ataenda kuhangaika, ako na kazi nyingi, ako na pension, anaweza kusonga mbele.
Labda tuone wakati ambao